Courbet is one of the first artists that we see really turning his back on the Academy. From a 21st century point of view, it's very hard to understand how radical a painting like this is today. And it's radical because he dealt with the truth. He just basically painted, as he said, what he saw. There was no idealism, which was kind of the tradition of history of painting through the previous centuries. And he just threw all that out and painted what he saw in front of him. And we see here a wonderful rendition of the landscape of his native Franche-Comté, which is near the border with Switzerland. But he's done more than just paint a landscape. He's included, if you look very closely at the bottom, it kind of blends into the mountain, are the workshops of the wiremakers. Again, bringing a subject of the everyday, the working person into his landscape. That was very, very shocking. And the workhouses are shown there at the bottom of the mountain along the river because they are water powered. It's a water powered industry. And of course, this is an indication of the beginnings of industrialization, the beginnings of the modern age, which brings us modern art.